Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. This isn't necessarily a kitchen item, it's a neck fan. So, I have a neck fan that I have gotten a while ago, and it's got the little fans on it, but when I've let other people with long hair, for me it would be fine, but with long hair it sucks it up into the fan. And so they have this new style now that doesn't quite suck up people's hair. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it looks and see how it works. And give this a try. These things are great if you're going to like Disneyworld or Universal or something like that, where you really want to, stay cool while you're sitting there in line for hours. So this is it here, and let's see what else we got here. This is probably the charging wire. Yep. So it charges with. Let's see. It charges with. Looks like USB-C. So it's definitely a newer type of apparatus here. Here's the manual for it. Basically says charge and push the button to turn it on. So let's see, where's the button? So there, oh, there it is. So it's on now. And oh, where's the button again? And you can push it again for faster. Yep, so it's got 3 speeds. So you can kind of hear it a little bit. So that's the high speed. So it sucks in the air, I guess, over here, and then blows it out up there. So let's try this out here. Oh, yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, I can feel it totally blowing out. I mean, it's like, if I had hair, you'd see it flopping up. So that's pretty cool. A really nice little device here. And it can fold and bend, it looks like here. So it's kind of nice. So you could really, make it tied on you or make it loose. Let's see if I just put it on there. Yeah, kind of like this. It's a really neat little thing. It's only blowing out of this side right now. I wonder if I have to do something to turn on this side too. Let me see. I'll look at it and see what we got here. So it says, yeah, might need to charge it. Let me charge it and see how it works. So it charges just like this, and then let me go find a battery pack. I know where there's one on my. Oh, sorry. Let's see. It's not charged right now, so there. Oh yeah, so there we go. So now it's blowing good. So there, so we get lots of air. Feel it blowing up on my face. So thumbs up for me. This is pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, the other one just kind of, you had the little ones where you can aim it, but this one you can aim too just by turning it. So it's pretty good. So it'll blow, keep you cool while you're sitting there in line, just kind of relaxing while everybody else around you is all hot and yucky. And it's not gonna suck in your hair because it's just right in there. So I like it. So thumbs up for me. Boy, what speed is it on? That was even on the low speed and it was blowing pretty good. So at high speed, I'll be able to sit out there in 100 degrees and go for a long time, especially if I bring a battery pack, you just keep going for forever. So thumbs up for me, definitely like it. I recommend picking up one of these for sure. So thumbs up, it's called the Leafless Hanging Neck Fan. And I'll put a link to this in the description so you can get one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This is really cool. I like it. So thumbs up for me, especially if anybody's going to a trip or something like that. I'm gonna recommend this to I'm on all these different groups for the Disneyworld and stuff like that now that I came to Florida. So I'm gonna tell everybody to pick up one of these because this is great. So thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon when I do some more reviews. Thanks for watching. Bye.